Goedendag allemaal. Hello everybody. Vandaag we gaan maken 3 soorten van pizza's. And today we're going to make 3 sort of pizza, different pizzas. Vandaag we gaan maken met pizza met kip, with chicken, bologna sauce, with minced meat, tonfish. And we have red onions, we have red paprikas, yellow paprikas, oregano that used to with the pizza, sugar, marinated garlic oil, chicken spices, and tomato sauce. We need, I took 1.5 kilo flour and yeast and olive oil that we need for make dough for pizza. I took 1.5 kilo, so it's a need for 3 pizzas. Let me go start. I'm gonna make a dough and I'm gonna see you again then. I'm gonna put it all here and with the water I'm gonna mix it and I'm gonna show you later when it's finished. Okay, I see you soon. Okay, my dough is ready, but I cover it a while for 2 hours minimum. If you leave more it's gonna be much better. And so cover it in a hot place. And now I'm gonna be marinating my chicken. I use chicken spices. You can use any chicken spices so to marinate it. And little bit salt. A little bit olive oil. Olive oil to bake chicken. A little more. You have to cut the chicken. I took the boneless chicken. You have to cut very tiny pieces, very little pieces, because like a minced meat. Because it's on the pizza, you don't have to be very big pieces, you know. Otherwise, it's gonna be very heavy on the pizza. Because you have to put more things, more cheese and another material. Okay, our chicken is ready now. See, even I cut very little pieces. It's swelling after the fry chicken. It always is swell. So try to make it very tiny and little pieces. You can broken after when you put on pizza. Okay, we check our dough now. Oh, it's very good. You see, very good. You in summer it's going to be quickly, but in the winter it's a little bit. It took a little bit time. Roll it now. I'm gonna make big pizza now. So look like a little family pizza, you know. can put also oil if you don't have baking paper, baking sheet I mean, and yeah, you make a little bit holes because of you have when you put tomato sauce, you have to going in. Also for bake the pizza is going to be very quickly if like that little bit holes there. Okay, we're gonna put that tomato sauce. You can use any tomato sauce. There's just that is pasta sauce. I took pasta sauce, but you can use any one. You just have to make ground under your material on the pizza. Also not too much, otherwise it's going to be very fat, you know. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese. I took mozzarella and normal cheese mix. You can use one of them, or also you can mix it. It have to be a little bit under here first. I'm gonna put chicken first here. If you have very big pieces, you have to cut it a little bit. You push it a little bit, smash it, you know. Because we need to put more material of on this one. We're gonna put now paprika on it. You know, in a chicken pizza, you need paprika and red onion. That's very important to make very good flavor. So much chicken you don't find on if you order a pizza in a pizza restaurant, you know. This commercial places, if you better you make at home, you have good material on your pizza and you can enjoy it. And heat your oven only 180 190 degrees before heat. Don't too much. In a pizza restaurant they heat oven 240-50 degrees because they need very quickly to bake the pizza, you know. That's why they have to heat. Now we're gonna put oregano. That's very important, you know. Without this one, pizza have no any flavor of Italian pizza, you know. You can without that also can make it. And now we're gonna pour cheese on it. Marinate garlic olive oil. That's garlic, give the garlic flavor, you know. You pour it. If you don't have, you can put just smashed garlic on it or any garlic paste. And you bake it now. And I gonna make to the next one. Okay, we're gonna make pizza fish, you know. In Netherlands, they get tonijn. Seafood is more shrimps or something like that. You can here you can only use mostly is red onions, little chopped onions, and also a little bit more garlic paste or something like that to make it good flavor. In fish, you always now this one also in oven, and after that I'm gonna make another one with bologna sauce with minced meat pizza. It's you don't need too much tomato sauce here because it's in bologna sauce. Always tomato sauce there, we use always there in. Because if you put a direct minced meat on the pizza, it's not be cooked. After that, it stay raw. That's why you have to. Otherwise, you fry minced meat before in pan. Here also you can use paprikas. It gives very good flavor after. And bologna sauce also is already paprika there. Oregano. And cheese on the end. And then garlic oil. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the oven now. And after when is all pizza ready, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be dish out, and I'm gonna show you how see it out. Our pizzas are ready. See, that is chicken with the paprikas, and you see it's dark color a little bit. And the stonefish is light color a little bit. You see, different color. And that one is with the bologna sauce. You have to bake it only 10 minutes. 10 till 11 minutes is depend on your oven. And 180 degrees, not very high flame, 180, between 180, 85, 90. And I'm gonna put on a dish out, and I'm gonna show you later. Okay, that is 3 sort of pizza today. I hope you like it. I show you all three recipes of three different pizzas, and it's wonderful if you make at home better. And I hope you like my today my dish, my pizza, and my recipe. And subscribe my channel, please, and do it like and share with your friends. And see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.